Guys, this might be the last recording of our lives. I'm just joking. But there's a huge tornado. Huge tornado coming down in Fremont, Nebraska. It's pretty crazy. You guys probably just saw it. There's hail coming down. A lot of thundering. Ton of cars leaving. Insane. Just, oh my god, this is crazy, guys. Yep, there's a tornado way down there.
Take a picture of that, Bruce.
I'm recording. Jeez. There it is, guys.
Holy shit.
Huge tornado over there, boys.
Oh my god, dude. Look at that shit.
That looks like a tornado to me.
Big ass tornado right there, bro.
Look at that shit moving over there, Leah.
I see it.
Yeah, that's a tornado, dude.
That is a tornado. Oh my god.
It's like forming. You can see like that cloud right there, like going near the middle, dude. Yeah, that's it. That's it right there, dude. Damn, dude.